Let's solve a problem about finding the height of a tall building using trigonometry. Here's our problem. The distance between two buildings is 24.5 meters. We need to find the height of the taller building to the nearest meter. If the angle of elevation from the top of the shorter building to the top of the taller building is 85 degrees, and the height of the shorter building is 40 meters, let's visualize this problem with a diagram. First, let's draw our two buildings. The shorter one on the left is 40 meters tall, and we need to find the height of the taller one on the right. From the given information, we know the distance between them is 24.5 meters. The angle of elevation from the top of the shorter building to the top of the taller one is 85 degrees. This forms a right triangle, which we will use to solve this problem. Let's see if we have a trig function that we can use to solve this problem. Given we want to find the length of the triangle that is part of the height of the tallest building, we can see that it is opposite our angle of 85 degrees. Therefore, we should use the tangent, which is the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side in a right triangle. In our case, the opposite side is the difference in height between the two buildings, h2 minus h1. The adjacent side is the distance between the buildings, d. Now, we can do a little bit of algebra and solve this equation for h2, which is what we want to find. Now, let's substitute the known values. Using a calculator, we find that tan 85 degrees is approximately 11.4301. Let's plug this value back into our equation and calculate h2. Rounding to the nearest meter, we find that the height of the taller building is approximately 320 meters.